Welcome to our video on the inspiring story of Liz Murray, a young woman who overcame poverty and hardship to become a successful and accomplished individual. Liz Murray was born into a struggling family in the Bronx, New York. Her parents were both struggling with drug addiction, and as a result, Liz and her sister were often left to fend for themselves. Despite the challenges she faced, Liz was determined to succeed. She knew that education was her ticket out of poverty, and she worked hard to excel in school. However, Liz's life took a turn for the worse when her mother passed away from AIDS. With no one to care for her, Liz found herself homeless and living on the streets. Despite the difficult circumstances, Liz refused to let her situation defeat her. She continued to attend school, even if it meant sleeping on subway trains and studying by the light of street lamps. Liz's determination paid off when she was accepted into Harvard University. It was a dream come true, but Liz still faced obstacles. She struggled to find the money to pay for her education, and she often had to rely on food stamps and other forms of government assistance. But she persevered and graduated Harvard with a degree in psychology in 2009. After graduation, Liz turned her attention to helping others who had been through similar struggles. She founded a nonprofit organization called Manifest Living, which helps to empower young people from disadvantaged backgrounds to reach their full potential. Through her work, Liz has been able to give back to her community and inspire others to overcome their own challenges. Liz's story is one of perseverance, determination, and the power of education. Despite the many obstacles she faced, Liz never gave up on her dream. She knew that education was her ticket out of poverty, and she worked hard to make it a reality. Her story serves as an inspiration to others who may be facing similar struggles. Liz's story is a reminder that no matter how difficult the circumstances, there is always hope for a better future. With hard work, determination, and the support of those around us, we can overcome even the toughest challenges. Liz's story is a testament to the power of the human spirit and the ability we all have to achieve success, no matter what obstacles we may face. As we conclude this video, we hope that you have been inspired by the remarkable story of Liz Murray. Her journey serves as a reminder that no matter how difficult the circumstances, there is always hope for a better future. With hard work, determination, and the support of those around us, we can overcome even the toughest challenges and achieve our dreams. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like Liz Murray's.